National Medical Commission was recently in the news. I hope you also read about National Medical Commission. In the previous prelims 2022, there was no any question about National Medical Commission, but we can expect this question in the upcoming prelims of your state service or else your UPSC prelims as well for the 2023. So that's why National Medical Commission, which repeatedly coming in the news since last year also, when the Russia-Ukraine conflict was also happened, when our Indian medical students were trained in Ukraine, and that time also National Medical Commission was discussed in the news in order to give the seats, the medical seats for the students who came from Ukraine. So this is why the National Medical Commission as an important body, because bodies, if those are mentioned in the news, we can expect question. And National Medical Commission is the one of the body was frequently mentioned in the news. And recently in the context, it has published a draft for regulation and a proposal for the professional conducted doctors and invited the comments from the public by June 22. That is, I think, yesterday. So it has discussed in that context, it was in the news. It has published a draft for regulation of the medical in the field of medicals and professionals, and in order to conduct a proposals for conductive doctors and invited comment from by June 22, and it was in the news in that context. That's why we have to study about National Medical Commission for the prelims examination. So one of the first thing, it is the country's, the national apex body which regulate the medical education and profession. So which of the following body regulate medical education and profession will be such kind of ABC type questions can come. And they will give different bodies like National Medical Commission will be there. Then they will say the Medical Council of India will be there. Then any other organization with regard to medical system or the health system will be mentioned. So please remember that the National Medical Commission is the body which is the apex regulator of the medical education in India and the profession also. And it was constituted by an act of the parliament known as National Medical Commission Act in 2019. National Medical Commission Act of 2019, through this Parliament Act, it was constituted. So it is constituted by an act of parliament. When any body which is constituted by an act of parliaments, those body called by a different name. So some of you, somebody please comment in the Q&A session, what is the kind of body is the national, what is the type of body National Medical Commission, whether it is a constitutional body or whether it is a statutory body or whether it is a non-statutory body. So some of you please give me the answer. So National Medical Commission, if it is formed by an act of parliament, and will it be a constitutional body or will it be a statutory body or a non-statutory body? And what type of body will be the National Medical Commission? So give me the answer in the Q&A session, which will be yes. Most of you voted, like given the answer that is statutory body. Raguri Lakshmi mentioned statutory body. Payobora Gogoi mentioned statutory body. Umar Farooq Ahmad mentioned non-statutory body. Payobara Gogoi mentioned statutory body. Aditya Singh mentioned statutory body. Harshad Gujarkar mentioned non-statutory body. Pasala Deepti, I don't know exactly your pronunciation of the name. I hope you will understand that. The statutory body, Deepti. Then Sharat Shandanu also mentioned statutory body. The answer is statutory body, and those who have given the answer non-statutory body is a wrong answer. When any body established by an act of the parliament, those body we call it as statutory body. If any bodies constituted by an executive resolution, not by the act of the parliament, then those bodies we call it as non-statutory body or non-constitutional body. So non-statutory bodies are not constituted by an act of parliament but by an executive resolution. For example of non-statutory bodies, Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog is constituted by an executive resolution. It is a non-statutory body. But any body which are constituted by an act of parliament, we call it as statutory body. Please remember that facts, the basic knowledge, that is the basic knowledge that we should have. So in this case of National Medical Commission, it is constituted by an act of parliament and it came into force from 25th September 2020, and that's why the National Medical Commission is a statutory body. If a statement say National Medical Commission is statutory body, will be right. If it say constitutional body, will be go wrong. And this act mainly seeks for reforming the medical education sector in India and provided for setting up of a National Medical Commission. And it has replaced the earlier Council of India, the earlier body called as Medical Council of India. So which of the following replaced by National Medical Commission of India will be a future question to you. ABC type questions can also come. So which of the following replaced by National Medical Commission of India? Then you can say the Medical Council of India was replaced by through the act into National Medical Commission of India, and this is now the apex regulator of the medical education and profession in India. Now we'll move on to the next fact with regard to the National Medical Commission. Another important fact we need to remember with regard to National Medical Commission is the composition, the strength of the commission. The strength of the commission will be another type of question that we can expect, that is mean by composition. The strength of the commission, and we know it's a body, it's a statutory body established by an act of the parliament. It is an apex body which regulates medical education and profession. Now the composition, there will be a chairperson, there will be a 10 ex officio members, and there will be 22 part-time members. So this is the composition of the National Medical Commission. Chairperson, 10 ex officio members will be there, and 22 part-time members. In total, if we calculate, 33 will be the total member. 33 including chairperson, 33 will be the total strength of the house. You can see that 10 plus 22 plus 1 is the chairperson, so it's equal to 33. That's right. So 33 is the current strength. So it is a body composition of the body is 33. 33 members in total, include the chairperson, maybe woman and the male chairperson. We can remove the word by using chairman, which is a patriarchal word. Chairman, instead of chairman, we in our main censor also, it is better to use chairperson. Sometimes when you read article also, you may see the word chairman. In the Lakshmikant also, you can see the word chairman. But it's better than using the chairman, it is better to use chairperson as a general neutral word. So chairperson, in our main answer also, you can use the word chairperson instead of writing chairman. That you have to keep in mind. So 10 ex officio member plus 22 part-time members are part of this National Medical Commission, and the composition in total 33 members. This thing also please remember that case. Okay, now we are moving into the next slide. More about the objectives, National Medical Commission. This objective, most cases, statement type will be using that. It is to improve the access to the quality and affordable medical education. So this, the role of or objective of Medical Commission also, you can use it in the main answer. We have, the main syllabus. We have a main syllabus called as issues related to health sector in India. Issues related to health sector in India. Under we have education sector separately, health sector separately. So we can expect in the mains answer, and regularly and repeatedly UPSC already asked mains question with regard to health sector and issues associated with health sector. One of the issues in our health sector is the quality, lack of quality, like affordability challenges in the health sector. So these both the affordable for medical education and improving the quality and improving the medical personnel in the health sector all holistically in India, because we face lack of medical personnel also, lack of qualified personnels, health personnels. So we need to improve our quality, as well as we have to make it affordable for the student to get entrance to the medical institutions or to access to the medical educations. So then only we can improve the personnel. So this establishment of National Medical Commission and their proposed objective will help India to make and address the problems of lack of quality, lack of personnels in the health sector. This can also be used for your mains answers. So National Medical Commission, even though there will not be any direct question, but you can use this body and the role that can be address the problems of our health sector. And availability of educate high quality medical professionals in all the part of India. These are the major problems that our health sector faces, especially the rural health sector, and also we also face the secondary and tertiary health sector issues. So we need to improve our quality, and we need adequate number of personnel in health sector. So in order to encourage medical professionals and adopt the latest medical research also promoted by National Medical Commission, and under other objective, you can go through, when I share the slide, you can go through the other objective. These objectives rarely come in the prelims, but we can use this objective as a mains answer or suggestion to mains answers whenever we discuss about a problems in the Indian health system or health sector. So those where we can use this point in our mains answers that I just mentioned about that.